Hey everybody, I have a really big special that I'm going to give you at the end of this video. Stick around for a minute and catch it. Don't miss it. Right here we have a tankless we just got done installing. This is a really nice system. We went from a gas 50-gallon tank to a tankless system. Super efficient. One of the most efficient on the market right now. This right here is going to be able to save you a ton of money on your monthly bill. We are currently repiping this entire house, and I'm going to give you kind of a pre-tour of that, what that's going to look like in another video. I wanted to give you a specific conversation about we bought back this tank. We have an offer going on right now where we're buying your gas tank back as a rebate for you moving forward with some getting rid of your tank. They're inefficient, they're old, they don't make sense anymore. Gas tankless is absolutely the way to go. Currently, Deer Services is offering a $250 buyback on your gas tank to go with a tankless system. If you're looking forward to moving forward with a tankless system, reach out to us 844-321-DEER.